What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the woods, baby.
We out here training for the fight, baby.
Yeah, we got a fight. I'm fighting Logan Paul. Yeah, I'm training really hard, guys. It's just fucked. But listen, we got some big news, big crypto news. As you guys can probably tell, Bitcoin broke out. We're on an upwards trend, which can mean a lot of things for Shib. Pretty much any meme coin. So we're gonna talk about that in today's video. If you do enjoy, make sure to subscribe. I post daily here. And like you can probably tell, this is not a video of me jerking a chart off. I'm out here doing something, okay? Every single video is different. So subscribe, leave a like, follow my Instagram, and as well check out my paid Discord down below. We just called out a 5x this morning. If you were in the chat, you would have got in. If you guys are new and don't know what a 5x means, basically you put 100 in, you get 500 back. This stuff's literally like GTA 5 money glitches, and that's what we do on the daily. So check that out. Raising the price in 3 days. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So like I said, guys, there's a bunch of new stuff that's about to come out. The fees are getting high, which means Bitcoin's back up on the rise. So I predict Elon doesn't mess it up, and Elon doesn't say anything, and nothing drastic comes out, major FUD, and crashes the market again. I think we're gonna be on an uptrend. We could see 45 to 50 soon, and if we do that, boys, we're golden. Everything's gonna go up. Everything's been killing it lately. A lot of my old calls are doing good again, and I think Shib, everything will be on the up and up. This is major good news for pretty much all meme coins, guys. If we can keep this thing on the up, Elon did just come out and say that they're gonna possibly start accepting Bitcoin payments again soon if it can be proven energy efficient. So this is just a really quick update. I think that all your favorite coins might start going again. I don't think stuff like fucking ass and tits might do anything, maybe, but like big names like Shib, Hokk, Zoot, I think all those are gonna start doing good. So we'll see what happens. Check out Kava too. It's been on the up as well. I called that out a couple of videos ago. Like I said, check out my Discord down below because we're giving out new coins every single day, aren't we, Carson?
Every single day, baby.
Carson did like a 10x with all the money he put in just off some of my calls. So we're gonna do big things in the chat. We're still going up. We got like 1,000 members in there. So check that out. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and follow my Instagram. And yeah, a very random video, dude. I'm on this hill and I was like, you know, I might as well film. So anyways, I love you. I'll see you guys in the next video.